What if I told you that the thoughts and emotions swirling around in your mind, whether they're causing joy or despair, aren't entirely your own? Intriguing, isn't it? To consider that the thoughts and emotions you believe to be yours might actually be a collection of external influences. In the realm of human cognition and emotion, thoughts and emotions function like the dust that settles on a surface. Just as dust is not inherent to the object it settles on, thoughts and emotions are not inherent to the mind they occupy. They are external entities, collecting and layering over time, creating a veil of perception that we come to identify as our own. Output, you see, every thought that rises in your head has its roots in the world outside. The conversations you have, the books you read, the media you consume, each of these external stimuli contribute to the thoughts that populate your mind. They are like seeds planted by external forces that germinate and grow within the fertile ground of your mind. Similarly, emotions are not spontaneous, inherent reactions. They are influenced by our thoughts, and since our thoughts are shaped by external stimuli, our emotions too are a product of our interactions with the world. Anger, jealousy, fear, joy, love. Each emotion is a response to our interpretation of an external event. But here's the interesting part. Just as you can dust off a surface, you can also clear your mind of these external influences. This process of mental and emotional decluttering is not about repressing or expressing these thoughts and emotions. It's about understanding their origin, acknowledging their presence, and then letting them go. It's about purifying your mind to help you move into a state of clarity and calm, a state of meditation. So, to summarize, thoughts and emotions are not inherently yours. They arise from external influences and settle within your mind, shaping your perception of the world. However, by acknowledging and understanding these thoughts and emotions, you can learn to let them go. This mental and emotional purification can lead to a state of meditation, bringing clarity, calm, and a true sense of self. Remember, your mind is like a surface collecting dust. Keep it clean, keep it clear, and see the world for what it truly is, not through a veil of externally influenced thoughts and emotions.